For today's video guys, we're celebrating my birthday. So ayan, madaming pagkain guys. Ayan, grabe. Tingnan nyo, may pizza tayo, may spicy chicken, may dinuguan, tsaka rice, lumpia, lechon manok, at grilled chicken, pansit, barbecue pork, munggus, at tsaka yung meatballs natin. Ayan guys, grabe. Ang dami natin pagkain guys. So, nasa mga almost 15 people yung bisita natin. So, grabe, masarap ang ating hapunan. It's a dinner pala. So, ayan yung ating mukha dyan. Sarap guys. At saka may may pa cupcakes tayo. Yung kasaba cake natin hindi natin napakita kasi nasa fridge siya. Ayan naman yung dinuguan. Masarap yung dinuguan guys. Ayan. At saka yung ating pansit. Madaming ito pala yung kasaba guys. Ito yung kasaba cake natin. Masarap siya. At saka yung ating muffins ba yan or cupcakes. Yan, fresh ang ating lumpia. At may pa barbecue tayo dyan. Yan ang ating pork barbecue. So yan guys ang ating cake, birthday cake natin na na-surprise tayo ng aking mga sisterakas. Ayan, salamat guys.